Hey everybody, just wanting to get us the information that is needed for setting up, let me move this because I'm in my own way, for setting up your new notebook pages. For this year, this is going to be the last notebook section of the year. We'll see in future years how that goes. But the very first page, as always, is going to be volume and circles unit vocabulary. Now, I am on page 141 of my notebook. Your pages might be different. I have managed to put this entire school year in one notebook because I didn't tear out any pages or use them for other things. It's just my notes. So, volume and circles, the vocabulary is first, and I believe there's 15 vocabulary words. The next page, okay, is formulas. This is going to be a very important page. You're going to want this page. This page says all the formulas that you're going to need. We are not going to use all of them in this unit. But the thing is, you can always look up a formula. So once you know it, then it's just how do I use a formula? And that's going to be the real focus. Now, before I turn the page, heads up. People who follow the directions in this video are going to get more points on setting up their notebook. If you are not listening to me right now, and maybe you're reading the closed captioning, you should probably listen because I'm going to be clear about how this is going to go. Very many people are limited on notebook pages, so I'm being really efficient. So after the formulas page, we're going to do 2 pages. This is all review. Parts of a circle, review. Circumference, 7th grade review. Area of a circle, 7th grade review. Surface area of a cylinder, probably 7th grade review. And we're just not going to spend a lot of time on it, so we're putting it in the review section. All of those go in these 2-page spreads so that we don't use a lot of time because they're not going to be separate standalone lessons. Then, volume of a cylinder is a separate standalone lesson. Because of that, we are going to keep a page blank right here. Okay. We're going to keep a page blank right here. Okay, blank page, volume of a cone. And blank page, volume of a sphere. Then we have one more, blank page, and one that's called missing dimensions. Now, I have one more thing for you. Remember I said, you gotta be listening. We need to add a piece that hadn't been filled in yet when these were copied. So if we go back to these review ones, you'll see they don't say what lesson they belong to. But when you get to these new ones, volume of a cylinder, okay, it belongs to our old curriculum, 13-2, but in reveal, it's 10-1. You're going to want to have that written in. Volume of a cone, 10-2. Okay. Volume of a sphere, just double checking my book. Yeah. 10-3. And missing dimensions, 10-4, which is a little bit of an application lesson. So hopefully your notebook is all set up now, and I will see you in class.